In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted campaign on Facebook Ads Manager. If you've ever accidentally deleted a campaign or simply want to access one that you previously removed, this guide will help you restore your valuable work in a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google and clicking on the relevant link. Once you're on the site, click on the Go to Ads Manager button. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Ensure you're using the correct credentials associated with your business account to access the campaigns you've managed. Once all that's done, click Login to proceed. Now that you're in the Ads Manager, you'll want to head to the Campaigns dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of all your campaigns. However, since we're looking for deleted campaigns, we need to apply some filters. Look for the filters option, typically located near the top of the page, and select it. Here, you will find a list of options. Scroll through until you find the deleted status. Selecting this will ensure you're viewing campaigns that have been removed. Once you've applied the filter by clicking on deleted, click apply. This should adjust the view so that only the campaigns with the deleted status are visible. Now carefully select the campaign you wish to recover. It's important to note that Facebook Ads Manager does not allow direct restoration of deleted campaigns, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Instead of restoring, we'll duplicate the deleted campaign. With the campaign selected, look for the duplicate button and click it. Confirm the details when prompted and then go ahead and click duplicate again. This action creates a new campaign with the same settings and content as the deleted one. Before publishing, take a moment to review and adjust the duplicated campaign. This step is crucial to ensure everything is in order, including budget settings, targeting, and creative materials. After double checking all the details, once you're satisfied, it's time to activate the campaign by publishing it. Navigate to the top right corner and click on Publish. This makes your duplicated campaign active and begins running it based on the settings you've confirmed. Voila! You've successfully managed to recover a deleted campaign by duplicating it. Remember, keeping backups of your important campaigns and regularly reviewing your campaign list can prevent future issues. I hope this step-by-step guide on recovering a deleted Facebook ad campaign has been helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.